my bloody drone. Do what you want with it. And by the time I'd got back, I've told her yes. I phoned her up and said yes, it's gone. And by the time I got back, she'd already ordered it, and the following day it arrived. So a lot more money, mind, which has sort of semi-stopped me going back out. I haven't got the money to go back out now, so I'll have to do some more work by this, I suppose. I hate work. The man that invented work should be made to come back and finish it. But anyway, I'll just show you now. I'll unbox it and give it a little test flight. And believe me, it was so easy to put together. It was so easy to log onto the internet, do all the firmware updates, and it is so simple to fly. It flies itself. Auto takeoff, auto landing. The other one did that as well, but it'll do. It won't do follow me, but it'll do most of the other things. It'll do a helix. It'll circle me. Well, that's what I couldn't get the other one to do properly, purely because my powers of concentration when reading instructions are very, very limited. So anyway, have a look and we'll do some unboxing. I've already unboxed it, but because this video comes after what I've already done, so this is just the startup. Hello people, as you know, I passed my my drone on. I'm getting on in age, and to carry that a beautiful drone, don't get me wrong, it was the DJI what was it, Phantom 3 Advanced, and absolutely perfect working order, going a treat for me. I have enjoyed using it. It has helped with the videos, I hope. It's nice to have a bit of drone footage to be able to, you know, promote the channel a bit. But I have now sort of bit the bullet. Got peanuts for the last one. I didn't get an awful lot for it. I'm led to understand it was worth an awful lot more, right? But now I have got the DJI, let's get it straight, eh? The DJI MAVIC Mini, the Fly More kit. I had to put serious money to it. Well, my daughter put serious money to it to be able to get this one, and I am absolutely, I can't wait. I've got my knife out ready. Can't wait to open it up and have a look. Right, I must probably fast forward this from here. Now, that is a bit better bag, so light, a bit better bag to carry around than the one, the Phantom, in a haversack, and its own haversack. So, right, I've got a box there, carry case. Let's have a look in the other boxes we got in there. They don't make it easy for you, do they? One. There's the prop guards. And they do just, they've only got little tiny clips that hold them on. Just little tiny clips. I like that. Yeah. I don't think they'll stop an awful lot. You know, if it's really tanking, I don't think it's going to stop an awful lot. But anyway, that's a godsend. 3 boxes, and that's it. Just 3 boxes in there. That can go back over there. I assume this is the mains charger. It is. It's the mains fast charger. So this one's heavy. This one is going to be fairly obvious. This is going to be the batteries. Well, they are petite compared to the Phantom. They are petite. And the writing's that small on it, I can't see what voltage they are. 7.2, I think. So, but anyway, they're nice and petite. They are. Yeah, MAVIC Mini. It's the manuals. Right, where's the bin? More rubbish. Right, now the unveiling. Yes. Leave the drone till last. Right, hand controller. Oh, it's a real small. I mean, I'm used to the great big one. To unfold antennas and the mobile device clamp attached to the controller. Yeah. So, got the two little antennas at the back. I assume they go that way round. That is so petite, and I do know from seeing others that the arms, the little knobs are in there. One, and because this is the Fly More pack, there should be another pair of these and loads of screws for some rink. I don't know what the screws are for. Oh, yeah, I do. I think they're for the props. Oh, that's nice and stiff. I like that. That's not quite as sloppy as the other one. That's your on, just telling me that the battery's only just touching 25%. But I like that. That's not too bad. Yeah. So, right. Let's put that down to the side for a second. 3 packs. They must know what my flying is like. And there's screws. There's screws in the tops of the packets. So you just got to remember that, because I would have ripped that open. And there's screws in the top of the pack, and there's a pair. No, there's 4 props. Yeah, there's 4 props in there. So, and it takes 2 per motor. So there must be other props there somewhere. So I'll put those down there for now. I'm just looking, there are props already on the drone. This is the you get this one with the Fly More. It's the charger that does all 3 batteries at the same time. I'm well chuffed with that. It says insert them that way round. And that was so easy. But I am led to understand that you can also, once all 3 batteries, well, even 1 battery, you've got the charge point that you can charge them in the case, but you can also charge your mobile phone up and other things off that and use it as a battery bank, which is a damn good idea, I think. Now for the big thing. Just look how small that is. Wow, that is so petite. I love it. I love it. They do say that these, when they come out of the box, these are taped together. And looking on YouTube, because I did research it first before I went for a drone, that because they were taped together and you just don't know how long they've been in that box, that you can sometimes have trouble with the ones that are the blades that are fitted. They could be camera shut off then. Yeah, they do say that the blades that come on it, because they've been taped up and in that tight box, that there's every chance that they might have warped or twisted, and you might have a flight problem with it to start with. You don't know until you've used it. So I'll start to take the stickers off it, because a lot of people say just put the new ones in. That's one sticker. I'm just sticking it over there for now, because the order of opening the things up is you put the top ones out first. Let's take the gimbal cover brace off. There you go, there's the gimbal cover protector, and then we'll open up the boot, the trunk. That's it, got that sticker off. So if there's any more stickers, I'm fast running out of space to put them. See, the sticker is right underneath on the bottom ones, and you know there's a lot of flex on that. I don't know whether you can see that. There's a lot of flex on it. So they do say on YouTube that you might have to change the blades out for some new ones until those have settled in their place, and then you can use them again at a later date, because you might get a judder with one being slightly buckled out of alignment. Right, there's the gimbal cover. I do like little gimbal. Look at that, eh? But it's 3-axis gimbal. So we'll fold the top ones out first. 1, 2. If I can get him out, there he goes. There. Now we've got a little, it's so light. Wow, it is very, very light. I'm very impressed so far. Very impressed. Right, on the back we got the USB charge point. If you've only get the drone, when you buy just the drone, you just get one battery and a USB charger, and you've got to put the battery into the drone to charge it up off the USB from this end. You've got the micro SD port, then you've got the trunk, and that's where your battery goes. So simple as that. I like that, and there's no other connections anywhere. There are the sensors on the underside for when it knows when it's touched down. I can't remember what they call it. Yeah, that's those, isn't it? Ground clearance. And this is your button here to check your battery when it's in. That'll tell you when your battery, how much power is in the battery. But I do like it. Ultra light, 249 grams. Right, as you can see, I've got it all installed now. I started this at 10 o'clock in the morning, and that's how long it's taken to recharge the batteries. And now I've only just pressed this, and there was an update on the screen, so it's now updating. Right, it now says that what went there? It says fly safe data update successfully, so I can close that down. Care refresh is available for purchase within the first 48 hours after activating your Mini. I don't want that. So now I'll take it outside and I'll just have a look, see if it will take off. Oh, rotate it horizontally. It won't have that. No, it's done. It's done. Right, tap here to Right. It's now started up.